Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make an image gallery in Elementor. First, open your Elementor editor and locate the gallery widget. Simply drag and drop it onto your desired section on the page. Next, click the plus icon to add images. You can select multiple images from your existing media library or upload new ones directly. Decide if you want a single gallery or multiple galleries for your display. Now, let's customize the look of your gallery. Elementor offers several layout options, including classic grid, dynamic masonry, or a sleek justified layout. You can easily set the number of columns for your images, ranging from a single column up to 10 columns, to fit your design. Also, fine-tune the visual appeal by adjusting the spacing between each image with custom pixel values. To make your gallery more engaging, explore the advanced styling options. You can add captivating hover effects and overlay animations that appear when visitors interact with your images. For a professional touch, enable the lightbox feature, allowing users to view images in a full-screen pop-up. Don't forget to customize the captions and titles for each image, providing context and enhancing the user experience. Before publishing, ensure your gallery is optimized for performance. Consider using Elementor's lazy load option or other image optimization techniques to improve loading speeds. Always preview your gallery on different devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to guarantee it looks perfect everywhere. Once satisfied with your stunning image gallery, simply save your changes and publish your Elementor page for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.